Today, we are pleased to share a video received from our Ethiopian franchisee, prepared by our distributor, Mamay Group, in the Tigray province. Mamay Group has been our valued partner for over 3 years and works closely with the Tigray Bureau of Agriculture and the Tigray Agricultural Research Institute. Our products have successfully undergone official field trials conducted by the Tigray Agricultural Research Institute. Following these results, large-scale field trials have been carried out with farmers across the province. The results have been highly encouraging. Farmers have reported stronger crops, improved plant health, and significantly higher productivity, describing the technology as transformative and essential. For further details, please watch the video.
BioSoilZ, a German agri-tech company, has developed an innovative solution based on bioenergy.
The Mamay Group institution is carrying out extensive activities in rebuilding and modernizing agriculture in Tigray. As a continuation of this effort, the agricultural inputs advisor of Mamay Group, Mr. Yirgabalai, stated that they have introduced new technologies that increase soil fertility and improve crop productivity.
Bioplants, transforming every leaf into a biological powerhouse.
The soil treatment is designed to restore sick land and bring it back to life. It improves soil health and helps it function properly again. The beneficial microorganisms in the fertilizer rejuvenate the soil, allowing trees and crops to fully absorb the available minerals. The second technology is applied during the plant's growth stage. It helps plants fix nitrogen from the air and support important metabolic processes that contribute to overall growth in the leaves, stems, and seeds. It strengthens the plant and boosts movement within its system, ultimately moving yield. So these two technologies are twins as complementary solutions.
The technologies that are currently being introduced are made from natural substances and therefore they do not have negative effects on the soil or crops, said advisor to the CEO of Mamay Group, Dr. Musbarham.
Microorganisms chemicals.
This technology doesn't have microorganisms, and it has not chemicals. Therefore, there is nothing in that can harm the soil and crops. What it can help is once to activate it, then they work effectively.
Mr. Abarra Kadeno, deputy head of the Tigray Bureau of Agriculture and Natural Resources, said that fertile soil is key for food security and productive farming.
If the soil doesn't work properly, nothing else will be effective. Life exists in the soil for good productivity. Everything depends on the health of the soil. If we want to ensure food security, we must work on improving the soil.
Farmers of Mba'ala Jorada Azalat Abia have testified that by using this new agricultural technology output, they have achieved better improvement in the fertility of the seed and the productivity.
When we first heard about the liquid fertilizer and began using it, the results were remarkable. Not only did it treat diseased crops, but even weak and nearly dying plants recovered. They became greener, grew new branches, and developed larger leaves. Providing this liquid fertilizer has been like having both a mother and a father for our crops. It fulfills our greatest hopes. We sincerely wish there will be no shortage of this product and that it always be delivered on time. We have used the liquid fertilizer.
Applied the liquid fertilizer on 35 to 40 plots and observed several important changes. First, the plants branched out more. Second, their stem became stronger. Third, their color turned darker and healthier. In addition, the plants grew taller. Overall, we witnessed increased production. Therefore, we respectfully appeal to all concerned bodies and government officials not to discontinue this fertilizer. Farmers have impressed it wholeheartedly. We hope it will be supplied in larger quantities so that all farmers can benefit and all farmlands can be treated. That is our strong request.
Based on the introduction of BioSoilZ and BioPlantZ technologies, all leaders of the Tigray Regional Interim Government, economic sector leaders, agricultural experts, and partner stakeholders were present. The head of the Tigray Bureau of Agriculture and Natural Resources, Mr. Alembran Harifeyum, praised the institution that introduced those new technologies and stated that introducing new technologies is essential for modernizing agriculture and increasing crop productivity.
Soil fertility and soil health are matters that have great importance for our overall agricultural and natural resource activities, especially for crop production and agricultural productivity. This is something we all know very well. Therefore, with soil fertility as a central focus, various technologies have been introduced over time by the government and different stakeholders. Among those technologies, some have brought good results, while others also have certain limitations. Currently, the technologies called BioSoilZ and BioPlantZ are internationally recognized inputs, and their introduction has been also begun in our country and in our region also. Work has started in selected waradas and tabias through research and farmers' participation, seeing the positive change of this season in order to create conditions for wider expansions next year. This technology needs to be familiarized with leadership.
So the technology familiarized